Hi friends, family, tastemakers, and my posh partners. Hope everyone's doing well. Welcome to the channel, and in today's video I want to share with you my holiday Christmas tablescape. This took a little time to pull together, so I'm just going to explain everything. I'm really happy with this because this is a culmination of things I've just collected over the years. Okay, so like these napkins here, like these green napkins came from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree had like linen napkins back in the day. So these are so old. And I made these napkin rings myself. I'll do a quick tutorial on that. And these placemats I got last year after Christmas clearance. And these were like, they came in a pack of 2, and I probably paid, these were like 90% off. So I paid like, a few dollars, a dollar or something, and some change. So I really like that. And then this is my old charger from Pier 1 that I've had for decades. And this clear charger plate that came from like eFavor Mart. And the dinner plates and the lunch plate that came from Dollar Tree. And then I put the little ornament. Like, I love the ornament section at Dollar Tree because it really, you could just have, it could just really enhance and provide great accents to your table. The cutlery, I don't know where I got it, but it's expensive and I love it. And these goblets here, these wine goblets came from Dollar Tree as well. I've had these for years. Those that have been watching my channel and my tablescapes, they've seen these several times. Okay, so that's each place setting. And now, like for the centerpiece, I lined it with this buffalo check runner that I got from, was it Hobby Lobby? When they have their clearances. And so on top of that, I put a garland. And this is one of my favorite garlands. I pull this out every year. And that came from, what is that? Big Lots. And it just runs the length of the table. And so that's the jumping off point. The runner, and then I put the garland on top. And then I just add ornaments. Like all of this came from these ornaments came from Dollar Tree, this little gift box. And I put a tea light candle and those deer. You've seen those deer ornaments at Dollar Tree. Oh, that's Dollar Tree. And I just keep adding, layering more little tea lights along the way. Here's another deer, and here's another box. Okay, and then I clipped, you see those clips, those decorative clips, I just clipped on a couple of those just to add more depth. And I have one right here as well. Doesn't take a lot, just adding a little depth. And then I added these Christmas trees. These are bottle brush Christmas trees at Dollar Tree. They are so pretty. And so I've added 2 of those. And right then I have these cones here. I hauled these. I got these from Family Dollar. Yeah, Family Dollar when they had their clearance after Christmas clearance. I love these. And it was just such a fluke because I was going to Hobby Lobby to go to their after Christmas clearance. And when I went in there, they didn't have anything. Everything looked so cheap. Then I walked into Family Dollar and I saw this stuff for like $1. When it's originally it was $5, and I got like these things for like 50 cents. And I was like, oh, those are so cute, and they're stronger than the ones I saw. So I got all they had 5, so I'm using 3 on the table. just gives such a beautiful wonderland look to the table. I love it. Okay, and then I forgot to show you. Did I show you guys these? I think these placemats came from Family Dollar too. They were 90% off. I'm not sure the price, but when I went to their 90% off sale, and I decided to use them this year. Okay, so that's what I'm going with this year. I really love it. It just blends in so well, so soothing to the eye, and I love it. Okay, family, you saw my Christmas mantle, fireplace mantle. You saw my Christmas tablescape, and then now I'm going to transition that to a Kwanzaa tablescape. I just got my 7 candles here. The green stands for prosperity and the future. Black stands for the people. The black candle. Red stands for the struggle. All right, and then that's the only change I'm going to make. And that's what's so nice about having a neutral background, like the black buffalo check. I just love it, how I can just transition it into any type of a tablescape that I want. So I really love this. Okay guys, and Kwanzaa is December 26th through January 1st. Okay guys, so thank you so much for decorating with me. I appreciate your support. And if you're new here, I welcome you to subscribe. And if you like this content, hit the like button so that YouTube will know that someone is interested in what's going on over here and I can stay on the air, just like regular TV, okay? So I want to thank you guys so much. Joyous Kwanzaa, Merry Christmas, and Happy New Year if I don't get back to you before then. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Bye, Mom. Hi, friends, family, tastemakers, posh partners. I want to share with you my holiday, my Christmas fireplace mantle decor. And I always start with this garland. This is my favorite Christmas garland that I got from, what was the name of that store? Big Lots. Got from Big Lots. I think most of the stuff came from Big Lots. And so I just like to drape it over my mantle after I clean it really well. And I just drape it on the mantle. And then the center is this gift box here. This fuzzy gift box is so pretty. And so it's been a couple of years since I pulled this out. I go between a white Christmas decor and red every year. And then I added these. At first I just had the box and I have my deer here. And we used to have an abundance of deer. We really lived closely with deer, but now that they're building a neighborhood in our backyard, the deer have been ran away, so we don't see as many as we used to. So I had a lot of deer stuff. So look how pretty that is. And I preserve these. I really pack these up really, really securely. Okay, and then I have this candle holder here. This is here all year long, so I'm glad I was just able to keep that. It added a nice touch to the vignette here. And I had that one over there. And so it looked nice, but it was like there was just something missing. And I got these, and I only got these this year, these bottle brush trees here from Dollar Tree. I got 4 of them. I put 2 on my tablescape. And I was like, something's missing. So I said, let me put these trees over here. And it just really filled in nicely. So that's all I needed. You know, no, right now I'm not feeling a tree And I like my big expensive tree, I sold it years ago. So if I do a tree, it might be like one of those little Dollar Tree trees. I might put it down here at the fireplace, but I'm not doing anything big. My tablescape, as long as I got a nice little tablescape and my mantle decorated, I have a wreath on my front door, and I'll put a little bow on my mailbox, and I'm good. Okay, so that is just all I need. All I need is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items. A garland, a centerpiece, an accent, candle, and if you hear some banging, they're just really, really doing a lot of work back there. And so that's all it takes for me for it to look a lot like Christmas in my home. I love it. All right, so that's what we got going on here. Hi friends, family, tastemakers, and posh partners. Hope everyone's doing well. Glad you tuned in today. Today I just want to share with you a quick tutorial on how to make some Christmas or holiday, what do we call these? Napkin rings, okay? As you know, on Tanya's Tasteful Table, I do my tablescapes. And so I get these every year. As many as I can get from Dollar Tree. You see these? Get these. They can you can use these for so many different things. Wreath making, a lot of arts and crafts. All you need is a pick. You can use one with the clip or one with like the little wires on the back. But this time I'm using a clip pick, okay? And then a napkin. All right, so it's so easy. And these are like work better than a lot of the stuff you're gonna find, because it's so, when you're doing napkin rings, sometimes you might need it to fit. So you can't adjust it. So just twist it around itself, make a nice little ring like that. And then just clip, put the clip on there. Now you see in some of the higher end stores, they have little napkin rings just like this, very similar. See that? That's all you need. See, we have another one. So you take your napkin, and I like these so much because I can adjust it. And then there you go. We have a beautiful napkin ring here. So let's try that again. And here's another ornament. And these are in the ornament section at Dollar Tree. Get you a nice little ornament. Take it, isn't that cute? And you can decorate these any way you want, and clip it. Let me take that tag off. And that is a cute little napkin ring. Take your napkins, because sometimes I'll triple and double my napkins, so I need something that's adjustable. And I love how flexible these are. And these are strong too. All right, so that's how you make a beautiful and inexpensive napkin ring. And these are upscale. These are in the upscale stores. I'm seeing them, but it's when you put everything together, it comes together so elegantly. Okay, guys, thank you so much. And I'll see you in my next video. And happy holidays to everyone. Bye. Bye, Mom.